Okay, so we're gonna be working out problem number 26. Problem number 26 involves the conversion of units. Now, this particular problem could be solved various different ways. So we're gonna stick to the way that Brian solved it. He got this problem right. And one of the things I want to remind you is that you take these videos, you learn from them, you don't criticize them. But, if you see an error, guys, we're human beings, if they might make a calculation error, if you're able to catch it at home, that's good, that's what it's supposed to be doing, and you're just learning more from it. But, at no point do we sit up here and criticize anybody or how they talk. Brian's going to do the best he can to illustrate it to you, but if at any point he does not answer your question, or you still iffy about it, you can always email me, or you can always come in during lunch. Okay, those options are available. This is a good way and a good tool to prepare for your STAR test, and you gotta use, it's not that hard to watch a video. Okay, so without further ado, here's Brian, problem number 26.
That's what I got.
Okay, now one of the things that Brian did, okay, and again you have to look at the example. The example requires you to convert 2.4 centimeters into 32 inches long, right? And approximately 2.54 centimeters. And basically you're going to multiply those two units, and that's what he did. He multiplied the inches times the centimeters, and then it gave him the answer in centimeters. Why? Because 2.5 centimeters equals 1 inch. So you just multiply the two numbers, and that gave you your end result. Again, that was one way he solved this one. Another way you could have done this, okay, is you could have done unit ratio conversion. If you guys remember how we did this one, where your units is inches and centimeters. The conversion is every 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, right? Every 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. And here's where you actually write the problem. So out of this, I don't know if you remember, we're going to set up a proportion. But the problem gives you 32 inches, right? 32 inches. 32 inches. And you're trying to figure out how many centimeters would that be. So that here you can rewrite it as 32 over x equals 1 over 2.4. Now, here you just solve it using your Hart method. Okay, so 32 times 2.4 equals x, or 1x. And you just solve that, and you should end up at the same answer. So two different ways, they're both using the same conversion idea of multiplying. Okay, so I hope that video helped. Thank you very much.